Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I have a SheModern tutorial for you using these pretty footprints water decals. These are the foil water decals, and let me go ahead and take the opportunity to let you guys know that SheModern is going through some changes and adding new products and also trimming down things that they are keeping. And so they are now, from now on, or yeah, I'm not sure if they've already started, but they decided to only keep the foil water decals rather than the original decals, the other decals that they come directly, you will peel off from the plastic. Yes, so this is what they're going to keep on their website. So do go, they do have come out with a series of new products, so go over there and check them out. I'll have the link down in the description bar below. But yes, I have a tutorial for you, and so as you can see, these are, let's see, the color in these, I want to say these are the gold. No, these are orange. Okay, so these are in the orange foil. There you can, it looks more like copper. Hopefully you can pick that up. And I have here white base. I'm starting out with a gel white base, and I'm kind of cheating a little bit. Thought I'd do some recycling of what from after having done my swatches on the dip powder. So I did a complete removal of the orange and purple dip powders on these two nails. So this is a fresh white gel polish. I used the Pure Joy. Then I actually went over, I buffed the glitter, I went over it with white. This one is the original powder, so this is it, but I did go over it with this as well. So yeah, did a little bit of recycling. What I want to do for a base for these little footprints, it's a gradient between white and this blue, which is called Love in the Mist by Madame Glam. I have reviewed this one, and I am going back to using this little bunch. Remember, this is from Born Pretty Store. There's a dual tool with a pencil stamper on this side. But yeah, see how it went back to its normal size after it completely dried up, and you can see how clean it is. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, and this will be only my second attempt at doing a gradient with gel. So I hope you guys enjoy. So here's the final result after I cure that gel top coat. What do you guys think? Super cute in it. So yes, and I wanted to start on my index finger with the right foot. No pun intended, but yes, that's why you saw probably, I don't know if you cut, I was the others look like they had already, the back end had already been removed because I picked up the wrong foot. I wanted to start off with that one to do the footprints. Super cute. I'm really pleased with how they turned out. So yeah, there's footprints at the I know there's no sand, but right at the edge of some waves, maybe at the beach. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.